and thank you for tuning into the Motor Machines channel. Today I'm back out on the Sur-ron, the pumped up Sur-ron. I absolutely love it. It's all I've been thinking about at the moment. It's just I just want to get out and try it more and experience this new bike I've unleashed. I've got the 63 amp hour battery on there with a BAC4000, and I think I correct myself from the last video, I meant I've got 12,000 watts. I'm just coming out to have a little rip, really, look around, see what's going on. Got a bit of a commute here, so I'm going to probably just turn the camera off and wait till I sort of get somewhere I want to. Oh, I covered my back. Oh, that's a bit rough. Don't hit them roots too wrong, do you? Brilliant. I'm so glad there's a river between us, although I know you won't catch me on this, will you? Crikey, you look like some specimen. And these are all your ladies. I don't know this trail. Oh, ball reads there, that means there's possibly something wet. Oh. Crikey, forks are making a bit of a noise now. You gotta be careful, man. You'll have that arse end out if you just blip it too much. Oh, I don't like all this wet grass. I can feel drops going in my face. That's why I prefer the DNM. Whoa. This is nuts now. You don't need 72 volt more power, do you? Really? For what? The bike probably won't handle it very well. You know what? I didn't think it was possible to love something anymore. But I love this Sur-ron even more now, and I absolutely loved it for years as it was. Crikey, it's improved with age. Not even sure what gear I'm in, but this is plenty. Hi. Hi. Oh yeah, hi.
I didn't realize you was you.
Yeah, no, I get about on my electric bike.
Yeah. Have a good one.
And you. Small world. I think I'm going to call it a day now. I've had a good electric hit there. This thing is, yeah, it's just growing on me. I'm still in awe of it. It's just amazed me how it's just transformed. But anyway, what I wanted to say is I've done, oh, look at that. That hurt. I've done 23 miles and I've got 40% battery left. That's not bad, is it? And you've seen how sort of hard it's been ridden. A few times, yeah, it gets ridden slowly to places, but then it gets opened up. That's not bad. Hopefully then the range is going to have improved massively. That's enough for me anyway. Hope you enjoyed this upload, and thanks for watching the Motor Machines channel. Man, I ain't got time to bleed.